I follow this artist on YouTube. His name's 1000. Ordered an art print from his website, and I also ordered a deck of cards that he designed. The art print is his version of The Last Supper, which is amazing. And oh man, crazy. All right, so check that out. I mean, like I said, the color, the way he uses color is Kitty jumps up on there and like messes it up. But so yeah, you take the sleeve out and the base. I'm just going to show you the suits. So sick. The king. It's actually kind of hard to do this with the gloves. Queen. And then I'll just do the jack. The jack's badass. And the jack. So, okay, cool. Everyone's shoes, playing cards, some animals, necklace. And all of these things are like little clues and messages to that contest that he had when he first started this whole process. I don't remember how long he said it took him to complete this from start to finish, but it was a long time, I think, and you can see why. I mean, $1,000 if by some crazy circumstance you end up seeing this video, I am a fan. I am an artist, and I draw and paint and do design work and all kinds of stuff. But I think you're so dope, and you can check out my art on my YouTube channel, Nicky Jay Lucas, or my website, Nickyjaylucas.com. Everybody check it out.